Hi, my name is Jack, and today we will talk about
automotive replacement oil pressure gauges.
If you liked some of the products here, please subscribe to our channel and like this video to continue making more top 10 videos. Also turn notification on to get latest videos uploaded.
Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase a gauge. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series oil pressure gauge. It's available in a black face with a clear lens, black face with a tinted lens, and a white face with a clear lens. So right away, when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm gauge with a color change button on the front, an oil pressure sensor, a 2-foot power harness, a 9-foot sensor harness, mounting bracket and hardware, a visor for sun glare, and full color installation instructions.